Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your Nubia Red Magic 7S. And to do this you'll need to open your Google Play Store. Here try to find Microsoft Edge. Select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch the app. Here you can sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it. You can also set up for data sharing preferences. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser or click on Not Now. Here we can start browsing, open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.